There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Welcome everybody to today's Kraitos Inside Call. My name is Dominic and I will take you through the week, what we saw, what are the updates, what are we doing, what are the different settings. Also this week it was a peaceful week with Kraitos, and this is always good when we have like peaceful week, because investing, trading should be without any stress. And this is what I love with Kraitos the most, that there's no stress in trading, because Kraitos is one of the best EAs that I ever used on how it trades, how it handles risk, how it's handling volatile markets. So it's like really the most amazing EA and piece of software that I was ever using. And this is also why I'm now recommending Kraitos to all my customers, because it's easy to use, no all like minimum management involved. So the only thing that you need is like 5 to 10 minutes a day to see that like everything is working fine on your VPS. So let's just jump into our MyFX books. Let's see what Kraitos did. So as you can see, here is my MyFX book. And you can see right now I'm up 15.16%, what it's amazing, since December 22nd. The most drawdown that I saw on my account was 3.51%, what it's almost nothing. So you can trade with confidence, you can recommend this EA with confidence to other people, because you can see how it actually handles the risk. So this week we had like 1.02%. It's like totally normal, like the markets are starting to pick up now, especially in March. So now the best months for trading Forex are coming now. So I think we will see better results, better profits, also with everything that we are adding to Kraitos, with trailing stop losses for initial trade, with trailing stop losses for managing trades, and some more goodies that I'm not going to be talking about today. I think we will capitalize on it even better. What does that mean? That we can catch more profits with the same risk, or even with a smaller risk that we are having at this moment. So if we look at our open trades, I have NZD CAD, AUD USD, and Euro USD open. I will also show you why this happened. I have 3 trades open because from last week I had open USD CAD, so I allowed Kraitos to trade 3 pairs, and also disabled Bulwark, what allowed Kraitos to trade the same currency pairs. I didn't change anything since today, because I don't check Kraitos as often, because it's just working how it should. And yeah, so I will show you the settings for this week that I'm also running. Then here we have Kraitos from our president, Matt Ward. As you can see, he has on his account $24,000, and this is like what I want to show you. Okay, on my account it's like around like almost like 4,000 now. On Matt account it's 24K. So as you can see, he did 1.45%, what means $344. But on my account, if you see, 1% and $38. So what you have to tell your customers is that like Kraitos, it's created to like average between like 4, max 8, maybe 10% a month, but with really low risk. So always when you talk to the customers, it's like show them like bigger accounts, because when we start investing, like most people are selling in forex, oh, you're gonna get rich with $1,000. People forget about it. You will never get rich with $1,000 in forex. So your main goal should be start, get familiar with the EA, and then start working on it so you can put more money on your trading accounts. Because when we go a little bit farther, you will see here 42K on this account. Also Kraitos live account 0.86% and $365 this week. What it's amazing, like $365 every single week. That's around $1,200 a month. That's like an extra paycheck. And you can see here this month 1.46%, $614. Imagine 5%, imagine 8%, what that can do for your life with low risk as like 2.32%. This is like really important for all of you to understand. Before we continue, and I'm showing you what I'm like also testing out of Kraitos, let's go look at the settings that we are doing actually this week. Let me just open up my Kraitos VPS. Give me just a second and I will show you. I'm not doing anything special on my live account because this is the account that I share with all the people, and I don't want to go anything like more aggressive or anything, because I really want to show people how beautiful Kraitos it's working with low risk and the settings that they are also recommended. The only thing that I did is I like Kraitos even a little bit more conservative, and I will also show you this, what I mean conservative. Let me just go back to the share screen, and I will also show you. Right now, you can see all these notifications popping up. This is going to be solved this week. As soon as the developers tell me that they push the update, I will also notify you. So these updates are just here because if the VPS just loses connection for like a millisecond, it's going to pop up. Now with the new update, if the VPS doesn't have a connection for 30 minutes or more, then these notifications are going to pop up. So this is going to be also solved. Always every single weekend also check if there's like any updates, so you see I have to restart my VPS later to get the updates. But what I'm doing on my live account, I will also show you my settings. It's nothing like out of the ordinary. The only thing that I'm doing is I have decision units in pips at 40 and minimum required distance between trades, it's 40 pips. So why am I doing this? I will show you right now here on the trading view chart, because Kraitos, it's actually, let's go to Euro USD. I was already showing my team Euro USD. Okay, so what is one thing, let's say here we entered a sell position. Okay, here was our sell position. Sell initial. Okay, sell initial trade, it was right here, and the market, we didn't catch our 10 pips, so the market moved against us and it went up, and you can see here, let's say here would be like if we would have it set to like 27. Okay, so what would do here, because here a reversal would happen here, Kraitos would see here, we would enter here another trade. So I don't like that it like looks like so close together for trade. So what I did it like 40 pips, because if there is like a bigger, let's say, gap, it's more that it's not going to be a fake reversal. So I like to trade a little bit more conservative. I like to trade a little bit more conservative from that side. And yeah, like my suggestion to all of you would be here to go here, like instead of 27. I saw that like much better results and less drawdown here if you choose like to put 35 or 40. Okay, 35 or 40. I'm still trading position size 0.01 per thousand. Maximum instruments to trade, it's 2, and I'm trading all the normal pairs. And I have now turned on this morning also the currency shield. And I have it here, trade add to position if positive to false, take profit pivot levels at false, first trade at take profit it's 10, and also then take profit on a scaling pair it's also 10, 3, 25, and here the maximum allow lot size, I take my balance and divide it by 10,000. So these are my settings for the next week. And also when I'm like playing now around like this is like, don't put this on your live trading account, because you can see this is my demo account. When I'm like trying a little bit different settings, I will give you my FX book so you can follow, so you can see. And here is like decision units set to 15, and minimum required distance between trades it's 45. Why I did that? Because here, if it goes 45 pips against us, instead of just do like one decision unit, it's going to be 3 decision units in between. What means that like if it sees a reversal after 45 pips, the the next lot size is going to be 2 times or even 3 times higher than the first one. So in my opinion, maybe we can get out of the positions even faster. This is just the first week. I don't know how it's working, so don't put it on. I will keep you updated on all of these also things. I'm also trying here. I'm not doing anything. I'm just like letting all the pairs trade at the same time. So this is like super high risk. Like it's a demo account because I want to get more data. Add to position if positive. I have it to true. So what does that mean? If a pair goes 15 pips into profit, it opens up another position and it trails and it secures 10 pips for me. So if the trade goes against me, then I will lose altogether. I will get taken out with 5 pips. So now I want to net 10 pips. I have to change it here a little bit, but yeah, it's like still testing. And then I have it here, take profit at pivot levels false. First take profit, it's 30 pips. Then here it's like 10 pips, spread filter 10, and also here 100. And here it's the same divided by 10. So this is what I'm doing on my testing account. Also, I have a different testing account where like I call them like swing settings. This is a testing account. I don't do that. And here it's like what I'm testing here is like to try to go like for more pips. You see I have it here to true 35 pips, 5 pips, and then this is just like what I'm testing. So don't do it. It like these settings went like already like 30% into drawdown, just that you know. No, not 30, like I'm lying. I think like 12, 13. I have it already connected to my FX book. And this is just like my account where I'm like gathering data to see how pairs are working. So you can see 12.13% was the biggest drawdown. But yeah, it's like mostly for collecting data, just that you know. I will share this data also with you so you can see which pairs are like the best performing. Then I'm like looking here for like negative pips. So you can see CAD Swiss franc, USD CAD, Euro, AUD NZD, Euro CAD, AUD Swiss franc. These are all like negative pips. So that what does that mean? That they opened up like a lot of managing trades, and then when they got out, we got out like with profit in dollars, but we went out with negative pips. So that means that like we were in the biggest drawdown in these pairs. Okay, so this is like what I'm looking, what I'm testing. But yeah, on my live account, guys, I'm just running conservative settings, what I showed you. So don't be stupid, don't be naive. Run the settings that the developers recommended. The only thing that I changed is here from 27 I put it to 40, and everything else is just like what the developers recommended, because I like to go even more conservative. So let me check if there's like maybe any questions. No, there's like no questions. So thank you everybody that join live into this call. And please, guys, share these recordings with your customers. It's like really important that your customers are educated. It's important that your customers are also in our Discord channel where they can ask questions, where they get information. Because again, I really think everybody should try out Kraitos for a month, 2 months, 3 months period so they can see how it's working. Because once you see how good Kraitos is, how it's trading, how it's managing the trades, guys, you will just fall in love and you will be super happy with 5, 6, 7, 8% a month. Because, guys, in the end, you can see investing is the long-term game. And also, please make money, put more money on, because you can make money in investing. The more money you make in investing, the more you have on your investment account, like what it's totally normal. So guys, again, thank you. If you have any questions, message us in Discord channel. And yeah, please share this video with everybody. Talk to you soon and have a great weekend. Bye bye.